3 Top Robot Vacuum Cleaner 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 3. Robot Vacuum and Mop for pet hair, hard floors and carpets. Tired of battling pet hair and dust on every floor type? Meet the G8000 Max, your smart, all-in-one cleaning companion. With powerful 5,000 pascal suction, it tackles pet hair, debris, and dirt on hard floors, tiles, and carpets with ease. Vacuum and mop simultaneously thanks to its clever combo dustbin and water tank, cutting cleaning time in half. The ultra-slim 2.99-inch design glides under furniture, while smart sensors prevent bumps and falls. Enjoy up to 150 minutes of quiet cleaning, automatic recharging, and flexible control via app, voice, remote, or button. Whether you're a busy parent or helping seniors stay independent, the G8000 Max adapts to your life, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time living. Number 2. Tangle-free robot vacuum for pet hair and hard floors. Tired of battling pet hair and dust bunnies? The V2 robot vacuum is built for real life, especially yours. Its tangle-free suction effortlessly grabs pet hair, crumbs, and debris from hard floors and low-pile carpets, without the hassle of clogs. At just 2.99 inches slim, it glides under furniture to clean where others can't. Set it and forget it. The V2 runs on your schedule, cleans for up to 120 minutes, and docks itself when power's low. With smart sensors to avoid stairs and obstacles, plus multiple cleaning modes for every corner, it's as thoughtful as it is thorough. Just press a button or use the remote. Clean floors have never been this easy. Number 1. iLife V5S Plus, Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Say hello to effortless cleaning with the iLife V5S Plus, your smart, slim cleaning companion. Control it hands-free via Alexa or Google Assistant, or select from 5 tailored cleaning modes to suit your space and schedule. With up to 110 minutes of runtime and auto recharge, it efficiently cleans areas up to 1,290 square feet. Its ultra-slim 2.99-inch profile slips under furniture, while smart sensors avoid drops and navigate thresholds up to 12 millimeters. Whether vacuuming or mopping, the V5S Plus delivers quiet, intelligent, and thorough performance. Enjoy cleaner floors daily, without lifting a finger, thanks to this reliable, automated solution that blends seamlessly into your smart home. So, that sums up my 3 top robot vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great